the Yeezy Gap Hoodie, a collaboration between Kanye West and Gap that no one expected. What is up guys, Daryl Arante is here, and for today's video, we are going to do a review of the Yeezy Gap Hoodie. I've been a Gap consumer for many years now, and to be honest, this collaboration was a surprise for me. I just never thought that Mr. West would get involved with this retail brand. This is a special collaboration, and the only way to get this hoodie is by signing up through their email. I signed up, got a notification that it was available, and went through the website, and within 5 minutes of checking it in, the hoodie was sold out, which pretty much sold out. I got lucky and picked up this brown color because this is the only one available. Anyways, enough said with the intro. Let's go ahead and check it if it's worth getting it. First and foremost, I did not expect the packaging, okay? I was expecting something fancy or luxurious, but it came with a paper bag. So that's that. Once I took it out, let me tell you right now, this hoodie is way heavier than any other regular Gap hoodies that I ever worn. Because of my curiosity, I went ahead and weighed this. Typical Gap hoodie weighs about 700 grams. In comparison to this Yeezy hoodie, this weighs about 1,000 grams. That's a 300 grams difference right there, which is almost about the weight of the 2 or 3 basic t-shirts. Upon closer look, it has a kangaroo pocket. The hood part has no drawstring. It is soft. Seems like the quality is very durable, and double stitching all around, which is a sign of a great quality. In addition, sleeves and hem are cuffed. One thing I noticed is that this Yeezy hoodie has 2 layers, which I believe is the cause of the heaviness of this hoodie. Upon trying them on, the Yeezy hoodie is different from the typical Gap hoodie. Disclaimer, I never owned a pair of Yeezy hoodies in my life, so this is the first time, so I'm gonna be honest of what I'm going to tell you, okay? I do love the feeling of it. It has that oversized feel, in which I do love it, by the way. However, it is a cropped hoodie. Like, it cuts off around your waistline, in which I do think most of the Yeezy stuff are like this. Well, that's what I think from seeing him through social media. Well, let me know in the comment section below if I was right or wrong. So just keep that in mind. That's all I have to say about the hoodie. So for the $1 million question, is this worth picking up for $90 though? Although I am a very frugal person, I think it is still worth picking this up because of its quality, the name, and the streetwear design of this Yeezy hoodie. It is unique, and this is way affordable compared to the other Yeezy stuff. So if you want to have a roomier feel, I would suggest to size 1 up or 2. Well, that's the end of my review. Stay safe and stay amazing. Have a good day, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.